It's the Heart Hatter coming to you live, but not really. But I'm here to tell you, today is another episode of Behind the Curtain. It's gonna be a great episode because I'm about to share a little bit of my house life with you, my van life with you, this is my everything. This is where I live. So, before we start the episode off, let's get the vibe right. Second time's a charm. Second time's a charm. I am a major addict. Nice. Before I take you inside the van though, let's take you outside of the van. I have a 2016 Blue Tech Sprinter van extended. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's diesel. I've pretty much had it running for the past 3 years straight. But one thing I do not like about it is how low it sits to the ground. It takes a full parking spot and a half to park this thing. So when you do go off of curbs, this is what happens. My poor tire cover right here used to be highly decorated with a custom Heart Hatter piece of art, which some kid stole, and he's probably watching this right now. Or she, he, alien, whoever it is, whoever it was, the gnomes. We got the perfectly imperfect because I make the perfectly imperfect hat for the imperfectly perfect person. I used to be a major shoe addict, and I traded all my shoes in for these bad boys. I got her right with her fresh pair of orange kicks. I call her, it, thing, van, because I still don't have a name for it. I get the question all the time, hey man, why do you call yourself the Harder? And I'm like, for the longest, I didn't understand why people were calling me the Harter. But now I realize I'm the Harder because I didn't really think out what my van looked like when I work. So I do get that question a lot. Everybody thinks I'm the Harder, not the Heart Hatter. But that's all right, it's part of it, it's part of the conversation. To start it off here in the van, welcome to the clothing rack. This is all one of ones, handmade, cut and sewn, Heart Hatter art apparel. Everything from hand-stitched buttonholes to custom buttons, 12mm pearls, we got gold hearts. We got this little man right here. He's like an alien weird creature thing, but he's my very first true art piece I ever made. Drop us down to the floor a little bit. And here's my sticker cabinets. You know, just all the essentials, your underwear, socks, shorts, t-shirts, more socks, towels, you know. This right here is the workspace. This is where I sew, I stitch, I iron. It's just a little bit of ribbon over here. It's the place where, man, all my creations happen. I got my custom scissors over here. LMA, Heart Hatter. Whoa, this is my bundle bush. Lavender, pine. There's a lot of things in this bundle. These are my wood blocks. This is my light show that goes on. I like my stuff to switch colors, kind of have fun. I got my TV, my mini chair, another fun sewing machine, my custom shelving with all my goods in it. This right here is actually my paint drawer. Splatter Paint Alley is where all the splatter paint magic really happens. This guy right here, Smiley, he's always just making sure that I'm doing good. Right here we got oh man, this is one of my favorite art pieces I've created. Every hat buyer from 2019 through midway of 2020, I put a piece of their felt on this hat. I say we're all tied together. No matter our color, shape, size, ethnicity, we all have a heart. This is my, it's my materials cabinet. We have my cleaning materials, my book collections. I'm not a reader, but when I do read, it's these books. We got all my camping materials right here. this is my shop, my house, my living quarters, my everything. It's definitely been a journey. I've had my ups, I've had my downs. But overall, it's been an awesome adventure, and it's one that I would never change. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode today. I am the Heart Hatter, signing out, and I'll see you next week. Whoa.